Tally, the most common ERP for over 2 decades in the SME sector, is now fully integrated with Hylobiz. This video will guide you on how to connect your Tally ERP with us. Let's start. On the Link Accounting Platform section, select Tally. You could find an overview to the whole process. Click on Connect. A zip file downloads, which is a connector between your Tally account and Hylobiz. Click on Install. Wizard file will help you set it up. The Hylobiz connector plugin opens up. On the new screen, click to add a company and sync. Two pop-ups appear. First, seeking permission to send invoice to customers automatically with Hylobiz, and second, to confirm whether Hylobiz can send an online payment link with each invoice. Your company is now added successfully. Create a voucher with Tally as usual. Once done, the updated feature on Hylobiz helps the scheduler sync the details, and a PDF of the final invoice is sent to the customer automatically. This takes merely a minute. To find the invoice created, go to Receivables on Dashboard or Transactions in the bottom. The amount would show up in the receivables as pending. Another useful feature by Hylobiz is the partial payments. Wondering how your customers can use it? Let's see. Take Action button, Update Payments. Now, select the reference number, enter the payment mode and transaction amount that they want to pay. Now save. Confirm to save the transactional details. Partial payments has been done. The final invoice contains all the details you need. Hylobiz also tracks cash or check collections, reconcile offline transactions to your Tally accounts, basic Tally functions, and maintain stock house and so much more. Join today.